Northern Alchemist have a wide range of luxury hair care products. In this video, Northern Alchemist will guide you through the steps to having amazing looking hair just like you stepped out of a salon.
Yes, it's an art, and it's time to join Northern Alchemist as we delve into it. Northern Alchemist have a wide range of luxury hair care products. In this video, Northern Alchemist will guide you through the steps to having amazing looking hair just like you stepped out of a salon. We hope you enjoy this guide by Northern Alchemist, and be sure to subscribe for more amazing tips and to find out more about Northern Alchemist's range of beauty products. Begin by thoroughly wetting your hair. It's crucial to ensure every strand gets a fair share of water. This step prepares your hair for the upcoming cleansing and conditions it for better absorption of Northern Alchemist's shampoo. Next, pour a dollop of your favorite Northern Alchemist shampoo onto your palms. Remember, a little goes a long way. Northern Alchemist's nourishing range of shampoos are renowned for their concentrated formulas, so a small amount is more than enough. Not only that, the amazing smells of Northern Alchemist's shampoos will stimulate your senses. Rub your hands together to create a lather before applying it to your scalp. Now, gently massage the shampoo into your scalp using your fingertips. Never use your nails, as this can cause unnecessary damage. This step not only cleanses your scalp but also stimulates blood flow, promoting healthier hair growth. After a thorough massage, rinse your hair with lukewarm water to wash away the shampoo. Ensure to remove all the shampoo, as any residue can lead to scalp irritation and dandruff. The next step is to apply one of Northern Alchemist's conditioners. We offer matching conditioners to our shampoos to leave your hair nourished and smelling amazing. Start by pouring a generous amount of your favorite Northern Alchemist conditioner onto your palms and apply it to your hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends, avoiding the scalp. This is because the ends of your hair are older and drier, hence needing more nourishment. It's best to leave some of your favorite Northern Alchemist conditioner in your hair for a few minutes to allow your hair to absorb all of its nourishing benefits. And enjoy the amazing smell of our products. This is a perfect time to sing your favorite tune or ponder over the mysteries of the universe. Finally, rinse your hair with cold water. This seals the hair cuticles, locking in the moisture and leaving your hair shiny and smooth. So, to recap and to get the most out of Northern Alchemist's range of shampoos and conditioners. The steps to perfect hair washing are: wet your hair, apply shampoo, massage your scalp, rinse, apply conditioner, leave it in, and rinse again. By following this process, you'll not only cleanse your hair but also nourish and protect it, paving the way for healthier, more vibrant and amazing smelling locks. Northern Alchemist's range of products are specially designed to enhance this process. Our amazing range of shampoos cleanse without stripping your hair of its natural oils, while our conditioners provide deep hydration, leaving your hair soft, shiny, and manageable and smelling amazing. Today's big question. It's a result of exceptional care. So why not give your hair the best with Northern Alchemist's products? Share your experience below. Trust in the power of nature and science combined, and watch your hair transform. Shop now on our website.